You're watching Twinneration X. Welcome back to Twinneration X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Boxy Charm,
Yay.
which did take us forever to film some of these videos.
We're doing back-to-back videos.
It's just been busy. And I'm wearing a heart rate monitor. If you guys can see this little plastic thing, it's water resistant, so I can take showers with it, but I can't swim with it. I have to wear it for a week. And that's that. An opening Boxy Charm looks like that. And I'll let you show the back of the card.
Oh yeah, it lists everything on there, which probably wasn't fast enough. And there was the front again. I like it. It looks like themed with a little.
How do you say this? Is that like 3 1s or like 111 skin?
Triple one skin.
I have no idea.
Street
London.
NACY2
pollution defense booster.
Dang.
It's late at night.
It's normally worth $135. It says a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. Like your phone's causing you
something
wrinkles.
in your smells real.
This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants.
Look at that.
I know the boxes come like. Is that one of the ones that comes in a triangle shape?
I don't know. I think I'll keep it.
I think it is.
Anyway, this is Hourglass's. It says Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Since the boxes seems like it's falling apart, I'll just probably keep it and try it out.
It's worth $28. We'll see. You could swatch it because it looks. I mean, I think it's gonna be like one I have. An ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for natural defined brows. I mean, I might be wrong, but it looks like it makes me think of one I have. Does it have? It's just a skinny one. Okay, that's cool.
You want me to swatch it though?
Sure. See what color it is. If you're gonna keep it.
My dry hands.
I know we both have. Your hands look a teensy bit drier than mine today, but I have those moments where mine's really dry. It's a pretty color.
What color did it say it was?
Makes me think of blonde.
Warm blonde.
Yeah, okay. I was like, that's a nice color.
So if you guys can see, that's the color. But
I like it.
On my dry hands. I usually use powders though, but I was like, oh, I'll try it. Okay, and then the next thing, I don't know how to say this either. Is it Dose or Doke? I don't know. Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen.
This is worth $21. This is a deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or thin line depending on the amount of pressure. I'm reading the wrong words. Used during application.
I like liquid eyeliner, so I'll keep
$21.
And then I have Sol de Janeiro's Brazilian Joya. I don't know, shampoo and conditioner.
I know that was like Hoya, but I have no idea.
Strengthening and smoothing conditioner.
It's worth $24.
And shampoo.
So if that's each. It says this set includes a creamy lather, sulfate-free shampoo, and a creamy, rich yet weightless conditioner for silky, touchable, soft hair. The patented SOL Still technology is clinically proven to smooth and restore healthy hair.
I think they're big enough to try, which is good.
Yeah, good size.
And then the last thing, I think, is it Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty? Ace Beauty, I guess.
Pretty.
Bronzed in Paradise, I think is what it says. And then
yeah, it says this palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be laid around top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products.
Oh, jeez.
It's worth $30.
Probably in a giveaway. I'm trying to. I should let you do this. No, I think I can. Maybe I don't know.
I would do it the other way. Like I would do that this way. This way, mija.
Yeah.
Okay, so like that. Those are cool. I like the shades. But yeah, if you want to put in a giveaway.
Well, because they're pretty dark. I mean, because we would bronze with,
the lightest color or something.
Yeah, you're maybe even up to like here, but otherwise we'd have to start using Miss Shadows or something, I would think.
I'm saying you'd have to make it work. But
that was it. But it could go on a giveaway. Yeah, that's good.
If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one I will link below. That one's ending shortly, so be sure to join us in that video and watch it and do everything you need to do. And we'll catch you in our next one.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.